Okay, hey, that's enough. Okay, so it's time to harvest the potatoes. But before that, I need to get my dog out of here. Okay, dog's out. Can't harass my chicken anymore. All right, so let's see if I can do this one-handed. So here they are. I want to be careful. Not to cut me in half. Oh, okay, so here's what we got. There's 1, 2, 3. These are great. I love these ones. All right. Well, oh yeah. Yeah. We got a bunch. They're just falling out of the dirt everywhere. Okay. So this is one plant. I'm sure there's more in here. I hope there's more in this. Okay, so I'm going to get all these dug up and we'll show you the final result. Okay, well, not a bad haul. Nothing spectacular, but that's a lot of potatoes. Few jumbos. Like make baked potatoes with those guys. Only had one plant that showed signs of scab, which isn't going to hurt anything. We'll just eat those first. But that's kind of unusual that only that one plant had scab on it. What it could be, though, I had a volunteer come up from last year, because I got a lot of these like little tiny mini ones still in the soil, and they'll come up in the spring. So that might have been it. And then I got a few more over here. Okay, so I never really get like outstanding potato harvest. Might be too hot, I don't know. So yeah, that's it. And this is how I plan my garden too. So this is where the garlic and the potatoes were, and they're the first to be harvested. So I go ahead and plant the corn here, where by the time these are ready to harvest, the corn hasn't really shaded them out yet. So okay, well, that concludes potato season 2025.